Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a classic, hearty Sloppy Joe sandwich that's packed with flavor and really easy to put together. Start by browning 2 pounds of ground beef in a skillet over medium heat. As that begins to cook, go ahead and add about 5 teaspoons of minced garlic, along with a good pinch of salt and pepper. Next, give it a generous dash of Worcestershire sauce. This really brings out that rich, savory flavor. Now add in 2 finely chopped white onions and 1 chopped red pepper. Stir everything together and let it cook until the beef is fully browned and the vegetables are nice and tender. At this point, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of celery salt and mix it well. Once everything is cooked through, lower the heat and start building your sauce. Add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 cup of ketchup. You can always add a little more ketchup later if you like it a bit saucier. Stir everything together until it's well combined, then let it simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you're short on time, you can also transfer it to a microwave-safe container and heat it for about 6 minutes. After cooking, let the mixture cool down in the refrigerator. This step really helps the flavors come together. When you're ready to eat, warm it back up in the microwave and serve it on a fresh hamburger bun. This recipe also freezes really well, and honestly, the flavor gets even better after freezing. And that's it. Simple, delicious Sloppy Joes. Enjoy. Please let a comment where you're from and how you enjoyed the recipe.